Okay, be honest. How many times have you bought speakers thinking they'd finally make your mixes sound right, and then you play them in your car and everything sounds completely different? Yeah, that's not your ears. That's your speakers lying to you. Regular speakers are built to make music sound good. Studio monitors are built to tell you the truth. Here's the thing. Most creators buy the wrong pair. Too much bass, not enough clarity, and they end up mixing blind. So today, I'm giving you the 5 best studio monitor speakers you can actually buy on Amazon right now. No fluff, no hype, just what's worth your money and what isn't. Let's get into it. Number 5. The Mackie CR3-X. This one's for total beginners. If you're just starting out, recording vocals, editing YouTube videos, or producing at your desk, these are a smart entry point. They're compact, they're affordable, and they still give you way more accuracy than regular desktop speakers. But here's the catch. They won't give you deep bass. If you're mixing bass-heavy music, you'll need a subwoofer eventually. Still, for the price, it's a solid starting point. Number 4. The PreSonus Eris E4.5. This one's for the home studio creator who wants a step up. You get a bigger woofer, tighter bass response, and actual room tuning controls on the back. That means you can adjust the sound based on your room shape, which, if you've ever mixed in a small bedroom, you know matters a lot. The drawback here, the high end can feel a little sharp at louder volumes. Nothing deal-breaking, just something to know going in. Number 3. The KRK Rokit RP5G5. Now, this is where it gets interesting. If you've watched any music production tutorial online, you've probably seen these yellow woofers before. They're kind of iconic at this point. Great for electronic music, hip-hop, and anything bass-driven. Built-in EQ settings let you shape the sound to your space, and the mid-range clarity is genuinely impressive for the price. The drawback? The low end can sound a bit boosted out of the box. You'll want to dial in the EQ settings instead of trusting it blind. Number 2. The JBL 305P Mark II. This is the one most working producers recommend. JBL used the same waveguide tech from the professional studio monitors and put it into this budget-friendly pair. That means a wider sweet spot. So even if you're not sitting in the exact center, the stereo image still sounds accurate. Bass extension is impressive for a 5-inch woofer too. Honest drawback? At max volume, some users notice slight distortion. But at normal working volume, it's incredibly clean. And number 1. The Yamaha HS5. This is the industry standard. You'll find these in home studios and professional studios all over the world. Why? Because they don't try to make anything sound better than it is. They just tell you the truth. Flat, neutral, accurate sound. So when your mix sounds good on these, it'll sound good everywhere else too. The only real drawback? They're not exciting to listen to casually. They're built for mixing, not for enjoying music on the couch. But if accuracy is what you need, this is the pair to get. So that's it. 5 solid studio monitor options for 5 different budgets and 5 different needs. Check the latest prices using the links in the description. They change often, so you might find a better deal. If this helped you out, let me know which one you're picking in the comments. See you in the next video!